Is it recording? It is. Bonjour. Not bonjour. It is currently 1:30 a.m. in the morning. I look like a shot, but somehow I still slay. I look like a male, but do I look handsome? So, do you remember last month me speaking about my book mail? This book, to be precise, The Blackhead and Other Stories by Edgar Allan Poe. I once said that I am gonna finish that book in one sitting, less than 12 hours to be precise, but guess what? I did finish the book in less than 12 hours, and it's November already. It is now November 18th, Tuesday, 2025. So yeah. I love the fact that I kind of look like a male, like the nerd one, the one who play fucking Fortnite at 3 a.m. with his homeboys at, like, whatever. I'm speechless. Anyways, I feel handsome. I feel like this is the new me. Handsome girl. Handsome boy. Okay, let's cut the crap right there. And I'm going to tell you two things. The main thing is how I felt reading this. I haven't finished it anyway. Why didn't I finish this in one sitting? Less than 12 hours. So annoying. Yup. But before I tell you the backstory, I think I'm gonna tell you how the book so far made me feel. First thing, I am the type of reader yang gak baca sinopsis, karena majority of times when I read, I could somehow read the plot, like guess the plot, predict the plot, and then most of the times it end up being true, like my prediction and all. And ya udah, karena hal itu gue gak mau baca sinopsis. Kayaknya sejak 1 tahun 2 tahun yang lalu gue gak pernah baca sinopsis lagi kalau mau beli buku. Gimana cara belinya? I judge the book by the cover, okay? Because I have mad respect for book designer, what the fuck? Not book designer, but like digital designer. What's the name of it? I forgot. There's a meme for that. But yeah, that's the first thing. Why am I yapping about unimportant shit? My second attempt of cutting the crap. Okay, I need to stop talking nonsense and stick to the main topic. Okay, first thing. Okay, ada hubungannya dengan gue gak baca sinopsis. And I don't even understand. Kenapa? Karena bahasa yang digunakan oleh si Poe ini, alias Poe, susah banget. I kid you not. I had to use a freaking literal physical dictionary. And it's broken. Literally broken. Ini gue lahir udah ada. And this actually my mom's and my dad's. And I legit pakai physical dictionary. Karena biasanya pakai like online dictionaries, because it's more accessible and just like one go type of thing. And this highlighter, okay? And not only he uses freaking medieval vocabularies, he also uses, I'm not gonna say questionable metaphor. If I said that, I sounded stupid, but that's it. I think it's not questionable. I think it's just me. Okay, it's just too hard for me to fathom, too hard for me to comprehend, too hard for me to you know. And if I read several reviews online, I would definitely know that this book actually comes with an unwritten trigger warnings, because damn boy, this is heavy. And when I tell you it's heavy, it's effing heavy, at least for me. It questioned my stability state. It questioned that. And I'm actually only 20 pages in, and this book has 98 pages, which is 78 pages to go. But I am feeling uneasy already. Every page, definitely something fresh for me, something that I've never read before. I usually consume this type of genre on movies. I never consume it writtenly like this, dan feelnya tuh beda. Nonton film yang questioning your mental state, I might say, sama baca. Entah kenapa, walaupun nonton film yang dark, heavy, lots of trigger warnings and all, yang ada jelas clear visualization of it, itu lebih terasa biasa bagi gue daripada baca. Karena gue gak ngerti kenapa, padahal kan ada lebih mengerikan yang ada representasi visualnya gak sih. Tapi kayaknya gini deh, setelah gue pikir-pikir, kayaknya kenapa gue ngerasa lebih terbiasa nonton yang kayak begini, itu karena the feeling of it feels way more familiar. Meanwhile this, it feels new, it feels fresh, it feels like I'm losing my mind. Alasan kedua, kemungkinan kedua yang cukup masuk akal adalah kalau baca itu lo tuh legit pakai imajinasi. Jadi you build your own imagination and then you sort of believe it consciously or not, and then you self visualize. Meanwhile kalau di film tuh udah ada kayak gini, ya udah lo tinggal consume it, lo nggak usah imagine apapun. Kalau ini tuh yang bikin deg-degannya ya kayak lu mengimajinasikan semuanya, say. Terus kayak ya udah padahal gue baru 20 halaman tapi ini tuh udah kayak shit, kayak gue harus stop, gue napas dulu, gue baru lanjut baca lagi. Walaupun jujur selama sepanjang 20 halaman itu banyak yang gue gak ngerti, banyak banget. Kenapa? Karena lagi bahasanya si Poe susah banget, say. Gue satu halaman tuh bisa nge-highlight, let's say satu halaman bisa nge-highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 vocabulary baru yang legit gue gak pernah denger. Gue tadi ngomong legit mulu ya. Bahkan kayaknya ada yang satu halaman 20 highlights deh. Wah, gelap ya. Kalau misalnya kalian mau baca juga nih, sorry I freaking burp, boleh banget. Tapi ya itu, baca review dulu, kuat apa enggak lu nya. Terus juga ya gue di sini mau ngasih trigger warning aja gitu, kayak you have to be pretty stable. Tapi gue nggak tahu ya, kalau misalnya lo emang nggak imajinatif pada dasarnya, kayaknya ini oke aja. Kalau emang lo pernah ada past trauma about certain thing, about basically anything, coba dipikir kembali. I must say by far this is the darkest, most brain altering, body altering, soul altering, self-questioning book that I've read so far. Walaupun lagi-lagi baru 20 pages. Gue gak siap, gue gak sanggup, gue belum ready, but like we gotta go. That I've ever read. Kenapa? Karena this one has a different tone, has a different vocabulary, has a different setting, has a different, it's fresh again for me. Kayaknya gue gak terlalu nge-review apa yang gue rasakan ya cuma pada dasarnya gue ngerasa ini dark dan berat bagi gue, udah gitu. Tapi kenapa harus 5 menit ini? Oh, look at the nerdy guy, this diva, this king, look at this king. Okay. Ini dari jauh gue laki banget, nggak tahu kenapa takut. Satu lagi, ini tuh not my cup of tea dari segi ceritanya ya, karena ini itu lebih kepada psychological. Sumpah gue nggak bisa mikir. Ini jam berapa sih? Shoot, where's my phone? There you go. 2:26. Ya ini tuh lebih ke psychological horror. Sedangkan tipe gue tuh yang lebih ke existential crisis, which is not the same. Gitu. Although this book is not my cup of tea, there are definitely things that I love about this book. First thing is definitely the freshness of it. My very first psychological horror thriller book, and the words that Poe uses again are big words, and it somehow made me feel small, but not in a negative way, not in a way that, oh my god, I feel stupid. Well, that too, but like not as big as this. Made me feel small in a way that it encourages me to read more, to buy more books, to consume every genre that could ever exist in this world. Gue annotate. Words so big, I don't even know what Poe yapped about. Things like this make me feel small in a way that it encourages me to read more. Exclamation point and heart-shaped type of thing. Where is it? See? So scrumptious. Okay guys, sekarang moving on to why I fail to finish this in about one sitting. 12 hours, less than 12 hours. Why? Yang pertama, alhamdulillah Diva is busy. Diva has something to do. Okay. Diva has something to take care of. Jadi, as soon as the book arrived, I did the unboxing and I uploaded on my Instagram. And 3 jam setelah itu, gue langsung baca. Tapi gue baru baca kayaknya 9-10 pages. Gue pause, niatnya mau lanjut besok, tapi besok ternyata cukup hektik, jadilah saya tidak melanjutkan bacaan saya sampai kapan ya, gue lupa. Tapi sebetulnya Oktober itu juga, maksudnya setelah gue nyampe, setelah gue stop baca tuh kemarin, gue ada baca cuman kayaknya cuma 1 halaman, terus gue stop, terus gue melanjutkan aktivitas gue. Nah jadi sekarang gue ada free time. My free time is, for your information, 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. Other than that, I am not free at all. Okay, on and offline. So bye. Yes, I upload shit, but like I'm not free. It's not like I'm free. I'm not. Duh. Anyways, ya gitu. Tapi bener kayak dari 10 sampai 14, enggak 14 juga sih, sampai 12 pages lah, itu gue stop. Terus baru ini gue baca 8 pages, gue pause dulu, gue mau laporan karena ini bener kayak buat gue sesak napas. Baru 8 pages secara konsentrasi baca, apalagi jamnya mendukung ya, jam-jam AM hours, gue kayak ngerasa wah, perfect timing. Apa sih? Sumpah, my brain is not braining. Girl is tired. Diva needs to rest. Diva needs to rest. Setelah 8 pages in, it feels more and more intriguing. So let's effing go. Walaupun gue agak males lanjutin karena the topic. But whatever. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you guys for watching. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Just in case he didn't send you a bicep picture today. Ooh, look at that. Flexing. Yeah. Au revoir.